numbness and tingling in your legs and feet. Fix leg and foot pain in minutes. Feeling that annoying numbness and tingling in your legs and feet? It's like your limbs decided to throw a little dance party without inviting you. Don't worry, you're not alone. And better yet, I've got some quick fixes that can help you get back to your day pain-free. Let's dive right in. Why am I feeling this? Before we jump into the solutions, let's quickly cover why you might be experiencing numbness and tingling. Poor circulation. Sitting or standing in one position for too long can limit blood flow. Nerve compression. This could be from poor posture or repetitive motions. Vitamin deficiencies, particularly B12, as we mentioned in another video. Injury or overuse. Straining your muscles or nerves through physical activity. Medical conditions, such as diabetes or sciatica. Quick fixes for instant relief. 1. Change your position. Sometimes the simplest solution is the most effective. Stand up, sit down, or move around. This helps improve blood flow and relieves pressure on your nerves. 2. Stretch it out. Calf stretch. Stand facing a wall. Place one foot behind the other and lean forward. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and switch legs. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with one leg extended and the other bent. Reach towards your toes. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and switch legs. 3. Massage. Use your hands or a massage tool to gently knead the affected area. This helps increase blood flow and relax the muscles. 4. Hydrate. Dehydration can contribute to muscle cramps and nerve issues. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. 5. Foot soak. A warm foot soak can work wonders. Add Epsom salts for extra relief. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Long-term strategies. 1. Improve your posture. Make sure you're sitting and standing correctly. Use ergonomic chairs and take regular breaks to move around if you have a desk job. 2. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity improves circulation and overall nerve health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. 3. Balanced diet. Ensure you're getting enough vitamins, especially B12, through a balanced diet. Consider supplements if necessary. 4. Footwear matters. Wear shoes that provide good support and fit well. Avoid high heels and overly tight shoes. 5. Consult a professional. If numbness and tingling persist, it's important to consult a healthcare professional to rule out any serious underlying conditions. Don't let numbness and tingling slow you down. With these quick fixes, you can alleviate discomfort and get back to your day in no time. For more tips on staying healthy and pain-free, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know who might be dealing with leg and foot pain. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or other tips to share. Thanks for watching, and stay active and healthy.